Okay, today we're going to be making gratitude cubes. So how you're going to do that is you will need 12 pieces of this paper. It will not already be folded, and it really doesn't matter what colors you have. So you need to start by folding each piece. I would not stack them and then try to fold them, because what happens is the folds don't end up being they're not very precise, and you also can't crease very well. So I would suggest taking each and every one, really matching up the edges and the corners the best you can. Obviously it won't be perfect because they're very small, and so that makes it hard to work with, but you can do your best. Okay, once you have each of your pieces strongly creased, we're gonna make the bottom of the cube. So you're gonna start by placing 4 pieces so that half of the piece is laying flat on the table, and then the other half is making part of the wall for the cube. We're only gonna be using glue sticks for this. Twist it up just a little bit and go ahead and start gluing. You're gonna need a nice good layer of glue on the paper, and then you're gonna take the bottom of one and line it up so it matches, and that's so the edges line up too. That's gonna create a really nice cube shape. If you don't line them up, things are gonna end up a little bit wonky. So really take your time with that. Okay, looks pretty good. So then you're going to kind of make the legs. So it's gonna almost look like a table when we flip it upside down. So you're gonna take the end of one of the papers, put glue on both sides, and then line it up so the edges match with the bottom. Okay, so now we're going to start making the top. So we're gonna make that the exact same way we made the bottom. Okay, so now we're going to start attaching them. So just like how we attach the bottom of these to the top, you're just gonna spread them a little bit, crease them back, and then match them up with the corner. So attaching the top is a little trickier, but just hang in there, persevere, and it should all come together. Okay, and if pieces start to fall off, that's okay, or fall apart, just readjust them, hold them for a second, and the key is to not, once it's there, just kind of leave it. And you can see mine's buckling a little bit. That's okay, because I really, I did do my best to make sure they were lined up. Sometimes that's just gonna happen. So now what you're going to do, twist down your glue stick. We don't need that right now. You are going to cut a heart shape. So you can do this one of 2 ways. You can either draw a heart shape, but it needs to be large, or you can cut a nice large square, fold it in half, and then you're going to draw kind of a candy cane shape. So it starts low, goes up high, and then a straight diagonal line down to the center fold. And then I'll cut. That way I have enough room to write what I'm thankful for. So you'll write, I'm grateful for, and then I'll let you finish it off, and then you'll write your name down on the bottom side of the heart. You'll pick a side for your heart to go on. I think I like that side. So then I'll put the glue where I think it needs to be. And I'm done. Don't forget to twist down your glue stick and clean up your area.